Hey guys, in this Stretchication lesson, we are going to talk about Trendspider and how I have my platform set up. Me personally, I use TradingView more for my charting and drawing on my charts. I just find it a lot easier and more user-friendly, but I do like Trendspider for the scans that I actually made. So we'll kind of talk a little bit about this platform. So up here, top left, that's your ticker window. This is your layout. So I still like the 3 vertical layout, so I stick with that. So they have a strat indicator built in, so you don't need to go and find a script off of like TradingView or something. It's already built in right here. You can just click the 3-dot menu. You can type Strat, and then you'll click on it, and then this will populate, and then you can tell it if you want to see the 1s, the 2s, and the 3s on your chart, and then you can also customize their color. So it's nice that it's built in and ready to go. They do have Strat candlestick patterns built in as far as like recognizing them, but if you ask me, I don't care about them when they happen after the fact, unless you're trying to teach yourself how to identify what a 2-1-2 looks like. Otherwise, it's too hindsight and doesn't help you. Then I don't use anything chart patterns. That's a lot of technical analysis stuff, which we don't use, obviously. I don't use heat map. Not entirely sure what it is. Like I said, I pretty much use the bare bones of this platform. Other data, I just want to know when earnings are. So I have my earnings on, and then you'll see at the bottom of the screen, it shows up as a little E. So that's handy. This is your sidebar. So I've got my watch list set up here. There's a scanner, whatever scanner, all of these are my scans. So whatever I choose to look at will kind of populate in here. So if I'm looking at an inside bar scan, it'll show me all the tickers for an inside bar scan. And then this smart checklist little widget thing is your full time frame continuity. So again, you don't need to go and find a script for it. It's already built in. You just click on that and then scroll down to the F's for full time frame continuity. You can have a intraday one, which is the day and under, or a higher time frame one, which is the month and under, or you can use both. You just have to tell the checklist that you want to add a new column. And if you do choose Trendspider, I will share my scans with you. Anything that says SSS is a my scan. Oh, well, these are all my scans too that say Strat 60, Strat day, Strat month, week. So those are all mine. So I will include that in this lesson. So let's look at this. So a Strat red 2 up on the day. And you can tell it what you want it to scan through. They have a whole bunch of different stuff. Too many things to scan through, in my opinion. As far as I know, you can only do one at a time. And I only look at my watch list. So I only scan my watch list, which you can see it says right there. And then you just hit scan. Okay, so this is a day red 2 up. So let's see. So Google on the day is a red 2 up. So if you only want to play red 2 up, 2 down reversals, this might be a scan that you like. Or if you only play green 2 downs, click on the scan, hit scan, and then it'll show you all the green 2 downs on the day. You can also clone the scanners, so it'll make a copy of it, and then you can edit it. So like say if you wanted to make all of these a weekly scan, you would just scroll down, put week, week, week. So you have to change all those 3 time frames if you want it to scan for weekly green 2 downs. And the only one that it found was HD. And then you could save that as a new scan. And then if you want to make a watch list, you just type your ticker and then separate with a comma, and then it'll add it to your list. Not too advanced when it comes to Trendspider. They have strategy testers. I don't mess with any of this, so I'm not the best person to learn from, but they do offer like a one-on-one session if you want a tutorial or for them to help you kind of set your stuff up. They got news. This stuff is new to me. A seasonality widget. I wonder if you can add to the visible. There you go. And you can kind of scroll down and see it down there. Yeah, lots to play with. They've got YouTube videos too. But I just wanted to cover like the important strat stuff. Of course, here's your drawing tools over here. Play around with those. They'll say what they are if you hover your mouse over them. You can add after hours or pre-market. So yeah, that's about all I know for Trendspider. Hope this was a little helpful.